Okay, given the geometric sequence, 31 and then 279 over 10 and 2511 over 100, that's kind of weird, huh? Find an explicit formula for a sub n, find a sub 6. Weird. All right, well, so this is a geometric sequence. So let's go to the notes. Looks totally strange, doesn't it? Let's go to the notes and let's get the formula for a geometric sequence. So if you come to the notes, here's the arithmetic, and come on down here. Here's the geometric. So the nth formula of a geometric sequence is right there. A sub n is a1 times r to the n minus 1. A sub n. So let's do that. A sub n is a1 times r to the n minus 1. And if you, so there's the formula. If you look at r, the ratio, it says take the second term over the first term, is what it says to do. Being kind of scribbly here. Let me show you down in the notes here. Somewhere it says it. There it is. R, the ratio, second term over first term. Okay, so that's what that R is. So let's do that. Let's take the second term. Here's the first term. Here's the second term. So the second term, 279 over 10 over the first term, 31. Now that's weird looking. How do we divide like a fraction over a whole number? Well, you put this guy over 1 and you grab it and you flip it up, because remember, dividing is upside down multiplying. It's 279 over 10 times 1 over 3. No, 1 over 31. Whoops, 1 over 31. Right, I just flipped it upside down because, again, dividing is upside down multiplying. So to divide by 31 over 3 is the same as to multiply by its upside down. It's reciprocal. Okay, and then I think that'll cross cancel, won't it? Use your calculator. This goes into this 9 times perfectly. So this becomes 9/10, right? 9 times 1 over 10, 9/10. So the ratio, the R, is 9/10. So A sub n equals, and what's A1? That's the first term. That's 31. 31 times the R. And let's just get this as a decimal. Well, maybe they won't allow a decimal. I think they probably will, won't they? So if so, that'd be 0.9, right? 9 divided by 10.9 to the n minus 1. So there's the formula. And now that's what we're going to plug into the top blank. Let me double check to see if they will take decimals on this question. And that was number 6, right? Oh yeah, yeah, they're giving a decimal there. They're for sure giving a decimal. So yeah, decimals, lots of decimals. So you could do decimal or fraction on this one. It looks like either way. Oops. My thing is not popping up. Okay. There it is. Okay, so back to the problem. So yeah, they will take it that way. So I'm going to write 31 times 0.9 to the n minus 1 power. You can write 0.9 or just 0.9, same thing either way. And now they want me to find the 6th term, right? Find a sub 6. So we've got the a sub n formula. So to find a sub 6, you're just letting n be 6. So 0.9 to the 6th minus 1, right? Just plug in a 6 for n right there. So a sub 6 is going to be 39. And this is 0.9 to the what? 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So hit the buttons on your calculator. 31 times 0.9 to the 5th. I'm getting 18.30519. 18.30519. So that must be the 6th term, 18.30519. That's the 6th term in the geometric sequence. All right, so there it is. How did we do it? Let me just recap. Here's the first term, second term. They said it was geometric, so I used the geometric formula. I found the R, the ratio of the second term divided by first term. Had to remember that dividing is upside down. Multiplying, flip this fraction upside down. Then cross cancel. 9/10 or a decimal 0.9. So the R was 0.9. The A1, the first term was 31. So I had the formula right here, typed it in. And then to find the sixth term, I just plugged in 6 for n. And this became 0.9 to the fifth times 31. There it is on my calculator. So that's the formula for the nth term, and then the sixth term in particular, plug in a 6, and you get that. So there we go.